High blood sugar. 20 foods that may help naturally. Avocado. Rich in healthy fats and fiber, avocados may help slow digestion and reduce rapid blood sugar spikes after meals. Lentils. Packed with plant protein and soluble fiber, lentils digest slowly and may help prevent rapid blood sugar spikes. They're one of the most balanced carb sources for steady energy release. Broccoli. Low in carbohydrates and high in fiber, broccoli contains beneficial compounds that may support insulin sensitivity and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Almonds. Almonds provide fiber, healthy fats, and protein, a powerful combination that may help blunt blood sugar spikes when eaten with higher carb meals. Salmon. Naturally carb-free and rich in omega-3 fats, salmon supports metabolic and heart health, which is important for long-term blood sugar balance. Eggs. High in protein and very low in carbs, eggs may help stabilize appetite and reduce the likelihood of blood sugar spikes between meals. Black beans. Full of fiber and slow-digesting carbohydrates, black beans may help prevent sudden blood sugar spikes compared to refined carb sources. Extra virgin olive oil. Healthy fats in olive oil may improve insulin response and help reduce blood sugar spikes when replacing processed oils. Chia seeds. Extremely high in soluble fiber, chia seeds form a gel-like texture during digestion, which may slow sugar absorption and reduce blood sugar spikes. Oats, steel-cut or rolled. Rich in beta-glucan fiber, oats may help improve glucose response and minimize morning blood sugar spikes when portion-controlled. Spinach. Low in carbs and high in magnesium, spinach supports metabolic processes involved in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Greek yogurt, unsweetened. High in protein and probiotics, unsweetened Greek yogurt may support balanced digestion and reduce blood sugar spikes when used instead of sweetened dairy. Quinoa. A higher protein whole grain that digests more slowly than white rice, potentially leading to fewer blood sugar spikes. Strawberries. Lower in natural sugars than many fruits and rich in antioxidants, strawberries may support better blood sugar control when eaten in moderation. Apples. Especially when eaten with the skin, apples provide fiber that may slow sugar absorption and reduce rapid blood sugar spikes. Sweet potatoes. A more nutrient-dense carb option that may cause fewer blood sugar spikes than refined grains when portion-controlled. Blueberries. Contain powerful antioxidants that may support insulin sensitivity, though they should still be eaten in balanced portions. Green tea. May support overall metabolic health and insulin function when consumed regularly as part of a balanced diet. Garlic. Contains compounds that may support healthy glucose metabolism and overall blood sugar regulation. Cucumber. Very low in carbohydrates and hydrating, cucumbers are a smart snack swap that won't contribute to blood sugar spikes. If this helped, hit subscribe to Vitality Reconstruct for easy wellness tips you can start today.